Let's join us on a journey to explore the process of growing and harvesting thousands of tons of mangoes in Australia. This video will provide you with an in-depth look at the advanced technologies used by farmers, along with their continuous efforts to improve the yield and quality of mangoes. To have a bountiful mango season, the first step is to prepare the soil and choose the right variety. Then the seedlings are propagated and grafted in a nursery for about 3 to 6 months before being transferred to the farm. Throughout the growth process, the trees need regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning to maintain their health. After 2 to 3 years, when the trees mature, flowers will bloom and fruit will set, and the period from flowering to harvest can last from 4 to 6 months. The mango trees on the farms are carefully tended with the support of machinery, which helps save labor. Farmers use steel wires to protect the trees, helping them stand firm against strong winds. The care process lasts 2 to 3 years, from planting to when the trees mature. After this time, farmers will experience the joy of harvesting the sweet, natural mangoes.
Intensive farming inside everywhere. The mangoes have reached full ripeness and are ready to be harvested. Depending on the height of the tree, farmers will apply appropriate harvesting methods. Would you like to visit a large mango farm and harvest ripe mangoes yourself? Before harvesting, the mangoes need to be carefully selected to ensure they are fully ripe. Farmers use knives, scissors, and ladders to cut the fruit and arrange them in trays or baskets for transport.
The harvesting process must be quick to protect the quality of the mangoes, and afterward, the mango trees will be cared for in preparation for the next season. After harvesting, thousands of pounds of mangoes are transported to processing factories, with each harvest batch reaching up to 22,000 to 44,000 pounds of mangoes. Here, the mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities, and then carefully sorted by size and quality. The top-quality mangoes are carefully packaged before being shipped to domestic supermarkets. In addition, a large portion of the yield is processed into juice or ready-to-eat products and exported to other countries, bringing the fresh, delicious taste of mangoes to the world. It's really surprising, isn't it? Have you ever witnessed an automatic mango peeling machine in action? With a powerful motor of up to 5 horsepower, the machine can handle thousands of mangoes per hour, helping to speed up production and improve work efficiency. Enjoy a piece of fresh, delicious mango today and experience the wonderful gift of nature through the refined and exceptional production process. After being processed, the mangoes are juiced or ground into powder, preserving their natural flavor and excellent quality. Each day, the factory can produce up to 10,000 bottles of mango juice. The mango juice is then automatically bottled, labeled, and distributed widely, bringing fresh, nutritious products to consumers.
Misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted boat, and then we got upset. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Would you like to enjoy the wonderful flavor of mango anytime, anywhere? The golden ripe mangoes are carefully processed and canned, preserving the sweet taste of summer. The product is ready to serve you all year round, bringing fresh joy every time you indulge.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Creating a high-yielding grape variety is not a simple task. Let's take a look at the process of cultivating grapevines in the nursery. Do you think these are just dried branches? No, they are excellent candidates for creating quality vineyards. As you may know, selecting and cutting the grafting branches are two crucial steps in grafting that should not be overlooked. Choosing a solid rootstock from a healthy and high-yielding mother plant ensures optimal conditions for the grafted vine to thrive. Pruning the scion properly ensures a smooth flow of nutrients and provides the best conditions for the growth and development of the young vine, resulting in delicious fruit. To succeed in grafting, you must maintain a high level of focus and carefully execute each step, as it is the key to the success or failure of the graft. Innesto is a common technique in agriculture, including grape cultivation, where a part of the plant, known as the rootstock, or portanesto, is connected with a different species of plant, known as the scion or marza. This technique allows for the combination of desired characteristics from two different plant species, creating a new plant that may possess disease resistance, adaptability to specific soil conditions, or the ability to produce high-quality fruits. In the grape cultivation industry, Innesto is a fundamental element to obtain different grape varieties, each contributing its unique traits to the flavor and quality of the produced wine. Why do we graft grapevines into the soil before distributing them to farms? This is to ensure strong and healthy development of the grafted shoots. Grafted grapevines have already gone through the breeding stage, so they grow faster, and the process from planting to harvesting is shortened, saving time and increasing productivity in production. This planting method also helps reduce the risk of diseases and pest attacks, as grafted vines are typically stronger and more resistant to diseases, better adapting to changing weather conditions and challenging environmental conditions. Choosing to plant grafted grapevines into the soil before distributing them to farms brings significant benefits, while also establishing a solid foundation for the development of agriculture and the production of high-quality grapes. From the moment the new seedlings are planted until they reach maturity, caring for them requires the dedication and patience of the grower. Regular pruning and removing weak branches help the seedlings focus their energy on developing strong main branches, while improving air circulation and sunlight within the canopy. providing adequate water, nutrients, and protection against pests and diseases, the seedlings will grow vigorously and become the foundation for success in the cultivation industry. These state-of-the-art seedling extractors are carefully and meticulously designed to avoid causing excessive damage to the plant and root system. State-of-the-art technologies make it possible to dig plants quickly and efficiently, ensure the safe movement of seedlings from one garden to another, and ensure the enjoyment of the crop. Thanks to these processes, it is easier to care for seedlings and more efficient in moving seedlings, which contributes to improved production efficiency and viticulture success. This is a crucial stage when technicians undertake the harvesting and transportation of seedlings from the nursery to different farms. Before doing so, they carefully inspect and select seedlings that meet high-quality standards and are eligible for transfer. These seedlings have been specially cared for to ensure strong and healthy root systems, making them ready for transportation and adaptation to new conditions at the farms. This forms the foundation to meet the demands of farms and customers in the agriculture industry. If you like this video, please click like and turn on the notification bell to continue accompanying us in the future. How is your vineyard cared for and pruned? There is a pruning technique that helps produce large, sweet, and juicy grapes. The first step in this pruning technique is to determine the direction and position of the main branches to retain. Then, remove the thin, weak, and unnecessary branches to reduce the energy load on the vine. When using the cane pruning technique, keep some new and healthy canes from the mature grapevines. These canes will become the sites for new grape clusters to sprout and develop. Old canes will be cut off to reduce the amount of growth and concentrate energy on the new canes. Pruning grapevines is an art, and when you master the technique, you'll experience joy and excitement in cultivating and harvesting delicious grapes in your own vineyard.
Laughing all the way, thousand cocktails ring.
The grape harvesters who work manually are true artisans, deeply connected to the land, the sky, and the vines, showing a profound dedication to the grape cultivation industry. They spend hours in the vineyards, taking each step slowly, carefully, and with great passion. These farmers are the guardians of tradition and the admirers of nature. They understand that only through skill, intelligence, and patience can grapes reach their full flavor and high quality, producing unique and refined wines.
Was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed his lot.
Next, let's take a look at how modern farmers have optimized their harvesting process. Selective harvesting is a critical stage in grape cultivation and wine production, and the Broad 9090L harvesting machine with the Eno control system has made a significant difference in the agricultural industry. The Broad 9090L is a modern and advanced grape harvesting machine equipped with the intelligent Eno control system. This system utilizes advanced sensor technology to accurately detect and differentiate between ripe and unripe grapes. Thanks to this feature, the harvesting process has become more efficient than ever, ensuring that only fully ripe and high-quality grapes are harvested. Vendemmia Prosecco is an important step in the production of Prosecco wines, typical of the Veneto region, Italy. In this process, Agricola Marchesan uses advanced and modern technology to optimize the harvesting process. Equipped with 2 Pellenc Diamant 9056 and 1 Pellenc 4056, along with the Fendt 211P tractor, Agricola Marchesan has improved the efficiency and quality of grape harvesting. The Pellenc Diamant 9056 with precise pruning features helps to quickly and efficiently harvest grapes. Thanks to advanced technology, the machine ensures the protection of leaves and ripe grapes, ensuring the best quality for the Prosecco winemaking process. The combination of the Pellenc 4056 and the Fendt 211P tractor has facilitated Agricola Marchesan in easy movement and flexible grape harvesting, saving time and effort. These modern machines not only reduce worker fatigue but also significantly increase productivity while maintaining grape quality. From these grapes, premium wines can be produced. After harvesting, the grapes are quickly transported and undergo the fermentation process. This is a crucial step to separate sugars and water in the grapes and create alcohol and the distinctive flavors of wine. The fermentation process can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of wine and quality requirements. Then, the wine is stored and matured in oak barrels, enhancing and balancing its flavors. This is a critical stage to produce a refined and flavorful wine. From the vineyard to the wine glass, the grape harvesting and wine production process is an artistic and knowledgeable journey of human craftsmanship, resulting in delicious and richly flavored wines that represent the land and the hard work of farmers and winemakers. Apples are a popular fruit worldwide, and there are many varieties such as Fuji, Gala, and Red. Apples provide complete nutrients such as vitamin A, fiber, and minerals. They are mainly grown in temperate regions where the cool climate is ideal for apple tree growth. Millions of tons of apples are produced each year. The ideal time to start planting apples is usually spring. from March to June, when temperatures range between 16 and 22 degrees Celsius. An apple tree takes about 100 days to begin flowering. To be harvested, apple trees usually require special care and at least 2 years of growth until they can produce ripe apples. Apples are ready to be harvested. Depending on the height of the apple tree, farmers use different harvesting methods. Would you like to experience an apple farm? To grow taller apple trees, farmers need the help of modern machinery. Equipped with 4 to 6 working positions, this machine is especially capable of working with trees up to 4 meters tall, helping to optimize the harvesting process. Once the harvest is complete, the carts loaded with apples are assembled and prepared for transport to the processing plant. Once the apples arrive at the factory, the process begins with washing away any dirt. Next, on the conveyor belt, the apples are inspected to remove any damaged apples. After this step, the apples are dried and carefully packaged in individual boxes. Other apples are then introduced into the line to create delicious bottles of apple juice. After pressing, the apples are transferred to the processing unit and thoroughly inspected to ensure the apple juice is clear.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we
As a final step, the apple juice is packaged in glass bottles and labeled for further processing.